I will give you some tips how to teach your students early classes at home. It's so easy. So don't waste your money on pre-classes. Try to teach your children at home. First of all, recall them this rhyme. Yes, repeat with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Green is tree. 1, 2, 3. Green is tree. 4, 5, 6. My legs are fixed. 4, 5, 6. My legs are fixed. 8, 9, 10. Hold this hand. 8, 9, 10. Hold this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When your kid learn this rhyme, then now it's turn of recognition. Now you tell them about one. Now I will tell you a story. 3 students was there and they participate in a competition, and Ali win this race and he come first. He get first position. Yes, first he got the reward. Now write 1. Yes, this vertical line shows 1. It's 1. Yes, 1. A straight line shows 1. It's so easy. Or 2. Now 2 come after 1. Yes. So in the competition, Ahmed got second position. Yes. On second position, 2. It's 2. How many balls are there? 2. 1, 2. Yes, it's 2. Now it's time to write 2. Yeah, it's 2. Little bit curve, then straight horizontal line makes a 2. Yes, it's 2. 2. Now we learn about 2. Now we see what comes after 2. Yes, Nasir get position 3rd. Yes, it's 3rd. 3. Yeah, I like 3. It's 3. There are 3 blocks A, B, C. Count them. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 3. 3. It's 3. 3, 3, 3. 3 come after 1, 2. Then 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 come after 2, 1. Yes. 1, 2, 3. The position of 3 is at 3rd position. 2 curves make 3. Yes, 2 curves make 3. It's 3. I like 3. Do you like? No. No, it's 4. There are 4 vehicles. Wow. And Najam got 4th position. It's 4. 4. Yes. How many vehicles are there? 4. It's 4. And 4 always come after 1, 2, 3. Yes. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no curves. 4 lines make a 4 number. Yes, it's 4 number. 1 vertical, horizontal, verticals. Yes, 2 verticals, 1 horizontal. Yes, oh, it's 5. 5. Yes, it's 5. Now raise good position. 5th. It's 5. 5th. Did you like it? Yes, it's 5. You know, it has 2 feet. And you know, 5 come after 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, after 4 numbers, 5 come. And first, vertical, horizontal, and curve. Yes, horizontal, vertical, curve line makes a 5 number. Do you like 5 number? Yes. Now repeat with me. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. Open your hand and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, got it? Good boys, good girls, my intelligent kids. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no need to admonish your child in early stages because you are also good teacher of your kid. Please try to teach your children these basic knowledge at home. 1, 2, 3. Green is tree. 4, 5, 6. My legs are fixed. 8, 9, 10. All are when. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.